In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Facebook password. So let's get started. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now go to menu by tapping on your profile icon located at the bottom right side. Tap on gear icon at the top, which is for settings and privacy. Tap on see more in account center link. Now scroll down and under account settings, tap password and security. On the next screen, tap Change Password. Choose your account and now enter your current Facebook password, new password and retype the new password. Once done, tap Change Password button at the bottom and your Facebook password will be changed. So that is how you can change Facebook password. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.